Welcome to a Scopus video tutorial on correcting author profiles. In this example, you are Justin C. Lee. Following an author search on your name, you notice there are multiple possible matches, of which several are your Scopus profiles. You wish to merge them into one. If you have not already logged into Scopus, do so now. Then select the multiple author profiles and click Request to merge authors. Two options appear on the screen. Yes, this is my personal profile is the default option. Note that you can also ask someone to submit this request on your behalf. The author feedback wizard opens with modular options for documents, preprints, and awarded grants. You can also choose your preferred name and current affiliation from the available drop-down menus. You click on Preferred Name and choose Lee Justin C. Next, confirm the current affiliation at the top right and click it. You can select your current affiliation from the drop-down menu. The one given is incorrect, so you select Korea University. In the Documents module, select those you wish to link to your profile. You can also search for any documents that are currently missing. Once complete, you would click Review 2 Changes at the bottom. Please do not make corrections to Justin Lee's author profile. You should only make corrections to your own profile or for those profiles you have permission to correct. You will receive an email confirming your merge request. You can also check the status of your request on your dashboard. This can be accessed by clicking on your initials in the top right corner, and then Dashboard.